Hello there, I hope you're keeping safe and well, and welcome to the channel. This channel really is dedicated to just a home studio owner. We're doing lots of videos on music production, mixing techniques, writing songs, and loads of other great stuff. So please subscribe, click that bell icon because there's more videos coming. Okay, so over these last 7 weeks, the studio has been super busy. So really I've been doing a lot of work with our local church, CityCoast Church in Port Slade, and there's been mixing of tracks for online Sunday services. We've also done a number of items. We've done clean item. Again, check the link. We've done So Will I as well by Hillsong. Again, check the link again. But now we're going to attempt to do a track called The Blessing. Now there's been a lot of churches that have come together and done their own videos on that particular track, and we're going to do something much similar. But I thought it'd be really good just to go through the end-to-end processes, the software that's being used to collaborate. So we're using software like Splice, so I can go through all that process of Splice and how you can get collaborators. You've got to bear in mind that a lot of the musicians are working from home, so we can maybe do some videos on the type of equipment that they're using. They probably haven't got this type of equipment we've got in this studio, but again, let's see how they're performing and see how they're doing as they record their audio for the track. Also, we're going to go through the whole mixing process. I guess the big challenge really is going to be it's going to be a full choir. We're going to invite a lot of people just to sing along to the track. They may be recording on audio within audio interfaces with condenser mics, dynamic mics. They may be recording their track or singing into an iPhone. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge, and that'll be a great fun. So really I thought I'd do this whole video series. I don't know how many videos it's going to be. It could be 10, it could be 12, it could be 20. But just to track the process all the way through from the collaboration stage where we are now, all the way through to the mastering process. And then that track, that MP3 master track, then gets linked to our video editing team. We've allowed ourselves 4 weeks to do this, so there will be videos being posted constantly as we progress the track moving forward. It will be pretty much live. There'll be some editing of the tracks, but I'm pretty much every time I'm going to go onto the computer or into the track to do some work on it, I'm going to do a post. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video, or enjoy the videos I should say, and enjoy the process of, taking what is in effect a concept all the way through to a live master. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go straight into Logic, because the track's been uploaded via Splice. GarageBand track has been uploaded into Splice. I've got an invite as a collaborator. Now what's happened is our guitarist has actually put a guide track within GarageBand. It's into Splice, and I'm now a collaborator. And today really we're probably going to begin to invite other collaborators to join in and to begin to record their part. Okay, here we are. I'm just going to go into Splice right now. Go into Waterfall Studios. And hopefully under Studio. There it is. That's the track there. It's a Blessing Choir. So I'm just going to open that and see what we got. So Josh is the guitarist. He's the guy that's actually set all this up. So and it looks like 2 collaborators have been set up. I guess that's just, oh yeah, we've got Bryn. Bryn's the other guitarist, so it's me, Josh and Bryn. Okay, so here we are in GarageBand, and the first thing I notice is that Josh or Bryn has done this full notepad. That's absolutely fantastic. We've never done that before, so that's really good. I'm a bass player, that's why I'm highlighting those parts, so I know exactly where I'm going to come in. Okay, so let's just play this song.
Four. Chorus 2, 3, 4.
So it looks like we've got the guide tracks, we've got an electric guitar track, and we've got the full backing track of the song. So this is all going to help us to actually play along with this particular track. We've also got the notes, so a good job done actually. So really we can now start inviting other collaborators, and we're beginning to start building up our parts. Okay, so there you have it, short, sharp and sweet, that video, but hopefully it will give you an idea of how we start the project. Splice is a fantastic piece of software for collaborating with other musicians. We've done the clean item this way, we've done the so will I item this way. There has been some issues with some of the other musicians and vocalists, but fundamentally this is a really good starting place. I really like the way how Josh has actually put the notepad in place, which is fantastic. We've got proper guide tracks, a guitar and a backing track. So really at this stage, we're all ready to go. So more videos coming, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell icon, and then you'll be notified. And please keep safe and well, and we'll see you very soon.
Separating mountains, take us home to yourself. She is his dove, I returns to him as a knower. He is the rock in whom alone